bangarang. Bass.
Show them how you dance punta chop.
Alright, jugule bagi. Namun bawa singgih.
Baby, I'm playing on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive, just like animals.
Dude, come on, do something now. She's gonna protect me now. You don't scare me anymore, you little... Shut up. Duck, duck, duck. Hey, stop. Sorry, goose.
Sit. Paw. Face 5. Bang.
Okay, you need to shut it down.
Cause I'm a boss ass bitch, bitch. Bang into the curb.
Story time. The man knew exactly what to do to embarrass his son.
Sir, I'm gonna need you to put your hands behind your head. We got a runner. We got a runner. Black male heading northbound towards Burn Street. Send backup. Send.
I ever told you how beautiful you are?
Ah!
I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna.
In the backseat, hit the switch. I'm a predator, rapture. I am killing it.
Cause maybe you're lovable, and maybe you're my snowflake.
I can't breathe. Like, for real. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me!
Ready, watch, voila! Oh, shit! How the fuck you do that?
Every time I'm in the street, I hear yak, 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 yak.
Man down, where you from?
Remy, what are you doing?
I'm gonna trick him. Hey! Poop!
Turtle cat.
Hey!
Hey! Hey!
It's been a long day without you, my friend.
All out of ammo.
Perfect. Oh, now he's nice and warm for cuddling.
You know you done fucked up, right?
Love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here.
You done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted.
Let's go get some pizza! Oh, I hate my life!
Look how he sits there. Look how cute it sits there effortlessly. Oh, she's having troubles. Get in there. She needs
Many men wish death upon me.
And they'll always be friends forever.
I wanna lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the job.
Say hi to everybody.
He can't do much but go round in circles.
Thank you for watching our Animal Vine compilation. I find it kind of hard to believe that someone trained his cat to perform tricks like a dog would. But I guess you learn something new every day on Vine. We hope we find more interesting vines like that for you, and we also hope that you subscribe, leave a like and perhaps a comment. Goodbye.